You wake up every morning convinced the world around you is solid. The sky is blue, the ground is firm, your body is real. But what if all of it, the chair you're sitting on, the phone in your hand, even you, is nothing more than a fragile illusion? The deeper scientists dive into quantum mechanics, the less sense reality makes. And some of the answers they found are truly terrifying. This is the quantum reality that scares scientists. The shattered rules of physics. For centuries, physics worked like clockwork. Newton's laws, predictable cause and effect. But in the quantum world, the rules collapse. Particles don't stay in one place. They exist in a blur of possibilities, here and there at the same time. This is called superposition, and it's been proven again and again. The famous Schrodinger's cat thought experiment shows how insane this is. Until you look, the cat is both alive and dead. Your observation doesn't just reveal reality, it decides it. Which raises the first terrifying question: when no one's looking, does reality exist at all? The multiverse problem. To explain this, some physicists suggest the many worlds theory. Every time a quantum event happens, reality splits. Every possibility exists, just in a different universe. That means right now, there are infinite versions of you. In one world, you're rich and famous. In another, you never made it out of high school. And in countless others, you don't exist at all. If that is true, our universe is just one page in an infinite book of realities, a book you can never leave and never finish reading. Spooky action at a distance. It gets stranger. Quantum entanglement. When two particles connect, they remain linked forever, no matter how far apart they are. Change one, and the other reacts instantly, even across the entire universe. Einstein himself called it spooky action at a distance. Why? Because it breaks the most sacred rule of physics. Nothing is supposed to travel faster than light. But entanglement laughs at that rule. This means reality might not be local. Space and time might be illusions. Everything in the universe could be connected, like code in a single giant system. Time itself may break, and then there's time. In quantum experiments, cause and effect sometimes appear to blur. The order of events isn't always clear. It's as if the future can influence the past. Imagine flipping a coin tomorrow, and that action somehow changing the outcome of something that already happened today. If this holds true, time isn't a straight line. It's a tangled web, and that means the past might not be fixed, and your future may already be rewritten. The simulation hypothesis. Perhaps the most terrifying idea is the simulation hypothesis. At the tiniest scales, reality looks pixelated. Energy comes in tiny discrete packets like pixels on a screen. Some scientists argue this is evidence we're living inside a simulation. If that's true, then everything, your family, your memories, your choices, are just lines of code. And if we are in a simulation, who's running it? A future version of humanity? An alien civilization? Or something we can't even comprehend? And the scariest part, what happens if they decide to hit delete? Why this terrifies scientists? Scientists aren't terrified because they don't understand quantum physics. They're terrified because they do. The equations are solid, the experiments are repeatable, and what they reveal is a universe that defies everything we thought we knew. A universe where observation creates reality, where countless versions of you exist, where space, time, and even existence itself might just be illusions. Quantum reality doesn't just bend the rules, it shatters them. The closer we look, the less real the universe seems. So now the question is, do you really know what's real? Or is reality the biggest illusion of all?